Hello everybody, welcome to UPSC PYQ Chronicles, where we will be discussing all the question papers of the examinations which are being conducted by UPSC like CDS, NDA, CSC, Civil Service Examination, CAPF, CISF, Geoscientist, EPFO, Combined SO, ED, CBI and many more. And this is the series on environment. This is the second lecture of this. And today's topic is Wildlife Protection Act and the Flora and Fauna. We will be discussing all the questions on this which are being asked by UPSC in various examinations. So let's get started. Hilsa is the national fish of Bangladesh. Which one of the following makes a tool with a stick to scrap insects from the hole in the tree or a log of wood? It is a orangutan. Which one of the following set of trees does not belong to temperate floral zone of Himalaya? It is the cashew nut and the magnolia which does not belong to the temperate floral zone of Himalayas, whereas the oak, maple, rhododendron, birch and the laurels, these all belong to these temperate floral zones of Himalaya. Consider the following animals: jaguar, saltwater crocodile, snow leopard. Here they are asking us which are naturally found in India. It is the saltwater crocodile and snow leopard which are naturally found in India. Jaguar is not found in India. Friday, Hilton, Oban, CIA, Asha, Tbilisi, Sasha, Savannah are the names of. These were the cheetahs brought to India from Namibia. What is the common name for a Asiatic wild dog that was once found all over the continent? It is the dhole. The Velace line distinguishes or separates the flora and fauna between the Southeast Asia and the Australia. In which one of the following places is Asiatic lion found in its natural habitat? It's in the Gir forest of Gujarat where Asiatic lions are found natural. Which organization publishes worldwide list of endangered species? It is the IUCN, that is the International Union for Conservation of Nature, which publishes the worldwide list of the endangered species. Operation Kachappa is a NGO initiative for the conservation of olive ridley sea turtles. Recently, there was a proposal to reintroduce an animal in India which became extinct in this country several decades ago. Which one of the following is the animal in the question? It is the cheetah. In order to create awareness among the people regarding endangered species of tortoise, in the month of February 2015, the third turtle festival was held at Hajong Lake, Assam. Among the following, which one is not an ape? Gibbon, gorilla and orangutan belongs to ape, but whereas langur does not belongs to ape. For which one of the following snakes is the diet mainly composed of other snakes? It is a king cobra which eats other snakes. Which one of the following is not a poisonous snake? Cobra, krait and vipers, these all are venomous snakes, but whereas a river snake, this is not a venomous snake. Cheetahs were recently reintroduced to India from Africa. From which language is the name cheetah derived? This is derived from Sanskrit. Which one of the following became extinct in India a few decades ago and is proposed to be reintroduced? It's the cheetah. With reference to wildlife of India, what is dugong? It is a marine mammal. In the context of Indian wildlife, the flying fox is a bat. The marine animal called dugong, which is vulnerable to extinction, is an mammal. From which among the following pairs of species a small quantity of fine quality wool is obtained in India? It's the Paschima goats and Angora rabbits. Which butterfly species was recently named the official butterfly of Jammu and Kashmir? Blue pansy. Recently, the Supreme Court of India has ordered the laying of underground high voltage power lines in Gujarat and Rajasthan to save the Great Indian Bustard GIB. The pillar-like structure which hang vertically downwards from the aerial branches found in banyan tree are known as the prop roots. Which among the following is the largest monkey? It is the gorilla which is the largest monkey. Which of the following places is known for saltwater crocodile? It is the Bhitarkanika in Odisha which is known for its saltwater crocodile. Which one of the following fauna of India is an ape? It's the Holag gibbon which is the only ape of India. The only snake which builds a nest is the king cobra. Which one of the following is the national aquatic animal of India? It's the Gangetic dolphin. Which one of the following groups of animal belongs to the category of endangered species? It is the GIB, the musk deer, red panda, and Asiatic wild ass, which belongs to endangered species. With reference to Indian elephants, consider the following statement. The leader of an elephant group is a female. This is correct statement. The maximum gestation period can be 22 months. This is also correct. An elephant can normally go on calving till the age of 40 years only. This is not only 40 years, it can be up to 45 also. So this statement becomes wrong. Among the states in India, the highest elephant population is in Kerala. This is also wrong. It is not Kerala. It's in Karnataka that highest population of elephant is found. And statement 1 and 2 are correct. Consider the following statement. Asiatic lion is normally found in India only. This is correct. Double humped camel is naturally found in India only. No, wrong. This is also found in Kazakhstan. One horned rhinoceros is naturally found in India only. No, this is even found in Nepal and Bhutan. So option 1 is only correct. What are the unique about Kharia camels, a breed found in India? It is capable of swimming up to 3 kilometers in seawater. This is correct. It survives by grazing on mangroves. This is also correct. It lives in the wild and cannot be domesticated. Wrong. It can be. So hence 1 and 2 are correct. Sabian Award is given for the conservation of amphibians. Consider the following statement in respect of trade-related analysis of fauna and flora in commerce, that is traffic. Traffic is a bureau under UNEP, that is United Nations Environmental Program. This statement is wrong because it comes under WWF and IUCN, that is World Wildlife Fund as well as International Union for Conservation of Nature. The mission traffic is to ensure that trade in wild plants and animals is not a threat to the conservation of the nature. This is correct, hence option 2 is correct. Birds like flamingos can stand on one leg. Which among the following statement related to this is correct? By standing on one leg, flamingos can conserve body's heat and energy because they can reduce great deal of surface area for the loss of heat. So this statement is correct. By standing on one leg, one flamingo makes a counter-ship display, which is a part of the ritual prior to reproduction. This is wrong, and statement 1 is correct. With reference to red sander, sometimes seen in the news, consider the following statement. It is a tree species found in the part of South India. Correct. It is one of the most important trees in the tropical rainforest areas of South India. This is wrong, hence 1 is correct. Which one among the following statement is not correct? More than 50% of world's animal species are found in tropical rainforest. Correct. 1/3 of the land surface is arid and semi-arid. This is also correct. Floating plants like phytoplanktons in the oceans produce over half the world's oxygen. This is also correct. World's important deserts are located across the equator. No, these are not located across the equators. So this becomes wrong statement. A sandy and saline areas in the natural habitat of an Indian animal species. The animal has no predators in that area, but its extinction is threatened due to the destructions of the habitat. Which one of the following could be that animal? It is the wild ass which they are speaking about. Which of the above are poisonous snakes? It is the common krait and the Russell's viper which are poisonous. Rock python is a non-venomous snake. Which of the above are naturally found in India? Star tortoise, yes, this is found. Monitor lizard, this is also found in India. Pygmy hawk, this is also found in India. But the spider monkey, this is not naturally found in India. In wildlife conservation, which among the following best defines an endemic species? An endangered species which is found in a few restricted areas on the earth. This becomes a correct statement. Consider the following statement. Lion do not have a particular breeding season. Yes, this is correct. Unlike most other big cats, cheetahs do not roar. This is also. Unlike most other big cats, cheetahs do not roar. This is a correct statement. Unlike male lions, male leopards do not proclaim their territory by scent marking. This is wrong because even the male leopards do that. So 1 and 2 are correct. Consider the following statement regarding the Indian squirrels. They build nest by making burrows in the ground. They store their food material like nuts and seed in the ground. They are omnivorous. This is wrong, and statement 1 and 2 are correct. Consider the following fauna. Lion-tailed macaque, Malabar civet, sambar deer. How many of the above are generally nocturnal and most active after sunset? It is the Malabar civet which is the nocturnal and are most active after the sunset. So only one is correct. Which of the above are endangered? It is all of the above species are endangered, that is gharials, leatherback turtle, the swamp deer. These all are endangered species. King cobra is the only snake that makes its own nest. Why does it make its nest? Because it is an oviparous snake and lays its eggs in the nest and guards the nest until they are hatched. Which of the following about the olive ridley turtle is correct? They are asking the correct statement. They are the smallest and the most abundant of all the sea turtles found in the world. This is correct statement. They live in warm waters of Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. This is also correct. The Coromandel coast in India is the largest mass nesting site of the olive ridley turtle. This is a wrong statement because it is the Gahirmatha of Bhitarkanika which is the largest mass nesting site of olive ridley turtle. So 1 and 2 becomes correct. If you travel through the Himalayas, you are likely to see which one of the following plant naturally growing there. Oak, rhododendron and the sandalwood. It is the oak and the rhododendron which are naturally seen in the Himalayas. It is not the sandalwood. Hence the statement 1 and 2 becomes correct. With reference to the black tiger, which one of the following statement is correct? They are also referred to as the melanistic tiger. In India, they are found only in the Simlipal tiger reserves in Odisha. Yes, these two statements are correct, hence both 1 and 2 becomes correct. In which of the following states is lion-tailed macaque found in its natural habitat? It's in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. The lion-tailed macaque is naturally found and not in the Andhra Pradesh. So 1, 2 and 3 becomes correct. What is the difference between the antelope, oryx and the chiru? Oryx is adapted to live in hot and arid areas, whereas chiru is adapted to live in the steppes and the semi-deserts area of the cold high mountains. Statement 1 is correct. Consider the following statement. Which of the above are naturally found in India? Black-necked crane, yes, this is found. Cheetahs, they are not naturally found now because they have been extinct. Flying squirrel, this is found. Snow leopard, this is also found. So 1, 3 and 4 are correct. With reference to the neem tree, consider the following statement. Neem oil can be used as a pesticide to control the proliferation of some species of insects and mites. Yes, this is correct. Neem seeds are used in manufacturing of biofuels and the hospital detergents. No, this is wrong. Neem oil has applications in pharmaceutical industry. This is correct. So 1 and 3 becomes correct. Consider the following statement. The Texas tree naturally found in the Himalayas. Yes, correct. The Texas tree is listed in Red Data Book. This is also correct. The drug called Taxol is obtained from Texas tree is the effective agent of the Parkinson's disease. No, this is wrong. It should have been the cancer. So 1 and 2 becomes correct. If you walk through the countryside, you are likely to see some birds stalking alongside the cattle to seize the insects disturbed by their movement through grasses. Which of the following such bird it is? It is the common myna, which you can see at the countryside doing this work. The red data books published by the IUCN contains a list of the threatened plants and animals. Option 2 is correct. With reference to Indian laws about wildlife protection, consider the following statement. Wild animals are the sole properties of the government. No, this is a wrong statement. When a wild animal is declared protected, such animal is entitled for equal protection whether it is found in protected areas or outside. This is absolutely correct. Apprehensions of the protected wild animals becoming a danger to human life is sufficient ground for its capture or killing. No, this is wrong. We can't kill animals. So option 2 becomes correct. With regards to the Project Tiger, which one of the following statement is not correct? It was launched in India in the year 1973. This is correct. The objective of the project is to preserve the habitats and the tigers therein as a natural heritage. Yes, this is also correct. The project emphasizes to ensure the viable population of the tiger in India. This is also correct. There are no tiger reserves in northeastern part of the India. This is wrong statement because Kaziranga, Orang and Manas are a few examples of the tiger reserves in northeastern part of the India. According to IUCN Red List, a vulnerable species is one which, so they are asking what is the meaning of vulnerable. The species which is likely to become endangered in the near future is known as vulnerable species. Animal found in its natural habitat and the country. We need to find the correct pair. Indri, which is not found in Brazil but it is found in Madagascar. The elk, which is not found in Indonesia but North America or the Central and East America or the Northern Asia. Whereas the bonobo, this is found in Democratic Republic of Congo and not Madagascar. Hence, none of the pairs are matched properly. How many of the above trees are actually native to India? It is only one species, that is the red sander, which is native to India. Cashew and papaya are not native to India because cashew comes from northeastern Brazil and the papaya comes up from the Central America or the southern Mexico. Vultures, which were very common in our countryside a few years ago, are rarely seen nowadays. This is attributed to which one of the following? A drug used by the cattle owners for treating their diseased cattle, that is the diclofenac, which caused the extinction of the vultures, and now this has been banned. If a particular plant species is placed under Schedule 6 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, what is the implications? A license is required to cultivation of that plant. According to Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, which of the following animals cannot be hunted by any person except under some provisions provided by the law? Gharials, Indian wild as well as the wild buffaloes cannot be hunted. So the answer becomes 1, 2, 3. In India, if a species of tortoise is declared protected under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, what does this imply? That it enjoys the same level of protection as a tiger because even tiger comes under Schedule 1. Consider the following statement. Moringa, that is drumstick tree, is a leguminous evergreen tree. This is a wrong statement because it is a deciduous tree. Tamarind tree is endemic to South Asia. This is a wrong statement. In India, most of the tamarind is collected as a minor forest produce. This is the correct statement. India exports tamarind and seeds of moringa. This is also correct. Seeds of moringa and tamarind can be used in the production of biofuels. This is also correct. So 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 becomes the correct answer. Other than resistant to pest, what are the prospects for which what are all the prospects for which genetically engineering plants have been created? To enable them to withstand drought, correct statement. To introduce the nutrient value to the produce, this is also correct. To enable them to grow and to do photosynthesis in spaceships and the space stations. No, this is wrong statement. To increase their shelf life, this is also correct. Hence 1, 2 and 4 becomes correct. The Red Data Book containing information of all wild plants and the animals in danger or extinction has been published by which one of the following? It is the IUCN, that is the International Union for Conservation of Nature and the Natural Resources. With reference to dugong, a mammal found in India, which of the following statement is correct? It is a herbivorous marine animal. This is correct. It is found along the entire coast of India. No, this is not found in the entire coast of India. It is given legal protection under the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. This is also correct. The Indian flying fox is placed under the vermin category in the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. This is correct statement. The Indian flying fox feeds on the blood of the other animals. No, this is wrong statement. So statement 1 is correct, but the statement 2 is incorrect. Consider the following statement and identify with the help of the code the tree with which the statement is related to. The branches of this tree roots themselves like new tree over a long area. The tree then gives rise to more trunks and branches. Because of this character and this longevity, this tree is considered immortal and is an integral part of a myth and the legends of India. So they are speaking of the banyan tree. With this, we end with all the questions which have been asked from this topic by UPSC in various examinations. Thank you.